Taurita's shores are fascinating when viewed from a boat in the sea. The sun sheds its morning sun rays. Just so I happened them to see. In the velvet season of the year 1820, 20-year-old poet, accompanied by the family of General Raevski, arrived at favorite Gurzów on the brig Mingrelia. He spent the 3 best weeks of his life in the company of Mashenka Raevskaya. It is impossible to imagine Gurzów without the name of Anton Pavlovich Chekhov. Here he wrote The Cherry Orchard and worked at his play Three Sisters. Here Ivan Konstantinovich Aivazovsky painted his seascapes, and here worked the Mozart of painting, as the contemporaries called Konstantin Alexeyevich Korovin. Many recognized and unrecognized artists and poets visited Gurzów. Once the famous French artist Jean-Paul Frédéric Lange visited Gurzów. The fascinating pictures of Gurzów reminded him of the native Mediterranean Sea and the Azure coast of France. The lagoon of Gurzów, canopy of Ayudag, Adalary cliffs in the sea, the rocks of Shaliapin, the grotto of Pushkin and the slopes of Geneveskai make up the alluring scenery of the southern coast of Crimea.